Hey everybody, it's Nicole coming at you with a Halloween DIY that is kid friendly. It's not really scary or gory or anything like that, and this is something you can do if you want to do a little something fun or whimsical with your kids for Halloween, maybe for their room decor or something. What you will need is some candy corn. And it just depends on what size your vessel will be as to how much candy corn you will need. Of course, you're going to need a sort of a bowl or a candle holder or something to put your candy corn in. And then you're going to need a tea light. And what you want to get is the color changing tea lights from Dollar Tree. And what they do is they have, you know, a glow that changes color from red to green, hopefully you can see that, to blue and purple, and it's really pretty. You can't see it too much. Well, yeah, there's the green, but it's really pretty, especially for this time of year, and I think kids will get a kick out of this. Okay, so what we're gonna do is add some of our candy corn, and all this stuff can be found at Dollar Tree. I got this little bowl from Hobby Lobby. I hauled this a while ago. It was $1, and I got it because it was shaped like a pumpkin and I had a, you know, a DIY for fall in mind, obviously. But they have the fish bowls and the smaller little round candle holders and things like that at Dollar Tree. So let your kid pick out what he wants or she wants to use. So yeah. So I'm gonna pour in some of the candy corn, and then we have our light that's already on. And you wanna kinda just sit it in there. And it doesn't matter if it's even or not, because we're gonna cover it up. And so we're just gonna fill it up all the way. And this is a great way to sort of display treats and things like that, and they can take a couple if they want and nibble on them. But it's really cute. And like I said, let them pick whatever container they want to use. So that's all we're gonna do. And what happens is when you turn the lights off, it glows. And what I'm gonna do is turn my tea light off. I mean my tea light, my ring light and my overhead light, so you can actually see it. So off goes the ring light, and off goes the overhead. And now my computer's up, so you can't really see. Well, yes, you can. It sort of almost looks like a cauldron glowing or something, but it is so cute. And if they're in their room or something at night, they can see this glowing, almost like a little, I don't know, UFO kind of glow, you know what I mean? But I think it is so fun for a child to kind of participate in this DIY and create their own little room decor. But this is super cute, super cheap, and super easy. And again, like I said, you can get them involved in it. And everything can be found at Dollar Tree, honey. So yeah, let me know what you guys do with your kids, your grandkids, nieces, nephews, or whatever. And yeah, tag me here on YouTube or on Instagram, 334 Bammer Girl, because I love to see and hear from you guys when you try these DIYs. But yeah, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share it if you like. And let me know down below what you'd like to see next. I will be bringing more kid-friendly Halloween DIYs. I know I slipped up last year and didn't do a lot. I did a lot of adult ones for Halloween, so I'm gonna bring you more kid ones. So yep, hope you enjoyed it, and until my next video, I'll see you then. Bye.